Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning back in. This is a special day for me. You are viewing my new logo. This is my LLC. I am a landscaper. And this is just, I'm stoked. I'm super happy, and I'm super happy that you guys are with me. I'm super happy that I have this channel, and yeah. So this week, you guys are going to do some plant chores with me. I don't like doing them by myself, so I'm going to take you along with me, all right? So let's go. Okay, so like I'm super excited for a couple of reasons, right? So I got this amazing like selfie stick. I find myself in spaces where I can't use the ring light that I have at home, and a good friend of mine, Noelia, got me this selfie stick with a tripod, and it is so amazing. Like this isn't, I got this as a gift, but it's like this little tripod. I'll show it to you guys later. But it helps me because like when I'm at work, I like to film some of the stuff I do because I do some pretty amazing stuff with plants. So one of the things that I have to do today, and I'm using my selfie stick, it has this remote control and I can stop it and start it. So it's kind of amazing. I work in New York, so one of the most amazing things about working in New York is that if you work in a place that has windows, you can see outside, and the people watching in New York is like, okay, magnifique. So anyway, I have these fiddlehead figs, right? And I have 4 of them where I work that I take care of. And I've kept them alive for the last 6 months. Surprise to me. Those things are so fickle. I don't recommend them, but I've kept mine alive, and I'm really happy about that. But I have to clean them, so I want to figure out what's the best way to clean them. Now, there were 2 other ways to clean them too, and they both just involved water. One was sticking your plant in the shower and just showering it with warm water and letting that dust. Sometimes the wax builds up on my whiskers. So yeah, you can throw it in the shower. And the third one was just hose it down. So just with a hose, but I'm gonna wipe mine by hand. This is a retail space. I don't wanna make a mess. And I wanna make sure it's quality work, so. And look at that. Look how shiny they are. Just with water. Look at the difference. Dry and ashy. And now these bitches is mad. Because he's lotion. Ashy, moisturized. So I'm really glad I had to do this because as I'm cleaning my fiddlehead fig, I find mealy bugs. Fucking mealy bugs. So I have my alcohol, I have my napkins, I'm gonna clean those off so that my tree can be healthy and not infested. Now, typically, I'm not a huge fan of fiddlehead figs. I think they're too fussy. They're just not my favorite. I'm trying to get comfortable. Hi. But I will say that the ones that I'm taking care of now are pretty much my favorite plants. And most of that is because they're not dying. So what I did today was I had to do some plant chores. I had to clean my leaves. They were a little bit dusty. Cleaning them with just water is going to open it up so that they can breathe air, receive sun the way that they need to, or whatever artificial light that you have on them. And it allows you to inspect them because, like you saw in the video, I found that I had mealy bugs. I hate mealy bugs. They're disgusting. So I had to go and clean them with a very simple solution of alcohol. Because my alcohol concentration is so high, I just wiped them off with water. I'll show you some pictures of the plant now. It's nice and shiny, just like my teeth. So that's it. I just wanted to show you some of my plant chores. Thank you for doing it with me. You guys kept me company. Remember to check your plants, clean your plants. You'll be surprised what you find. All right, talk to you guys later. All right, this is the end of the video. I just wanted to show you guys this. One of, I don't want to say fans. I don't got no fans. Do I have fans? Anyway, one of my subscribers, Zelina Hawker, watches this channel and she sent me this. I'm so happy. I love you so much, Zelina. And one of the most amazing things that she said to me was, since she has been watching the channel, she's been paying more attention to her plants, and her plants have definitely been responding. So I love that. Jean loves that here. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and please just tell a friend. Let's grow this family, guys. All right, see you guys later.